As I walk around the grocery store, looking at these 5 food labels, I can't help but to think to myself, this can't be legal, but it is. These are the 5 most misleading food labels that are causing us to eat junk food in disguise, coming up next. As you would think, consumers, when surveyed, stated that the perception of healthiness is a key driver of food choice. With that being the case, let's take a look at the 5 most misleading food labels and how we can stay healthy amongst that misinformation. Number 1, made with whole grains. Implies 100% of grains used are whole, right? Not a chance. Really means recipes often include only a pinch of whole grains, added to many more refined ones. Made with whole grains is technically true, but only in a barely legal sense. What to do to stay healthy? Choose only products labeled 100% whole grains. Made with whole grains is a variation of another popular misleading phrase, made with real fruit. Where often the same microscope is required to find that fruit that was required to find the whole grain in what you just ate. I'm sorry, it's horrible. Number 2, multigrain. Implies more healthy with whole grains, right? No, wrong again. Really means many refined grains. But what do you do to stay healthy? Disregard this label completely, it's crap and just doesn't mean anything. That simple. Number 3, no cholesterol. Implies more desirable because it's special formulation without cholesterol, right? Really means the food never contained cholesterol in the first place, i.e. no cholesterol peanut butter. Cholesterol is only found in animal products. Plant-derived food never has cholesterol. Plants make polysterols. What to do to stay healthy? Don't pay extra for plant products with this label. It's just misleading. Number 4, natural. Implies no man-made ingredients, organic, non-GMO, not a chance in hell. Really means nothing at all. Natural is not a claim verified by any overseeing body. What to do to stay healthy? Don't be fooled. Ignore this claim completely. Natural? Really, manufacturers? Natural, might as well say from stuff. Oh my God, please treat us with some respect. Just a little, please, please, just a little respect, please. Thank you. Finally, number 5, the worst offender of them all. Sugary junk food that doesn't list sugar as its first ingredient. Implies sugary content's not very high, right? Really means food contains many forms of sugar, none of which are high enough amounts to require it to be listed first on the food label, but altogether the combination of many forms of sugar can still add up to little more than highly processed form of rock candy. It's ridiculous. What to do to stay healthy? Don't fall for this sugar game. Please check the label carefully for the many aliases of sugar. Various names for sugar include corn syrup, solid crystal dextrose, evaporated cane juice, fructose sweetener, fruit juice concentrate, malt syrup, maple syrup, molasses, concentrated fruit juice, hexatol, isomaltitol, isomaltitol, dextrose, pentose, raisin syrup, and on and on and on. You get the picture. This is just ridiculous. Come on, manufacturers. Food manufacturers take advantage of catchwords that imply way more than they really deliver. Don't be fooled by criminally misleading food labels. Better yet, work to cut down on your purchases of all foods with labels, because most of the healthiest foods don't even require a label at all. Thank you for stopping past the channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can be notified as soon as the rest of the videos in this series come out, understanding your food labels. And as always, have a beautiful day.